gotta take some underall off. It's too freaking hot out here. You don't believe me, do you? It's too hot.
Fear.
Huh? Fear?
Fear and a cigarette.
Well, I don't want to see you drink alone.
I'm not a nat.
That's not right. You know what
Gracia.
I mean? Gracia.
Yeah, that's right.
Garcia.
Never.
Yeah, they were on that side.
I got 4 out of there. I got.
Look at that Italians that Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Givoli. Gaborja. L'chaim. What happened here?
Oh, they put that on. Put it on.
Sandy got it.
About $9.99 tag.
Does he have a strap on? Ronnie has a strap on.
Right, this will be a classic. We'll finish the breaking.
Yeah.
Jeff, smile for the camera. Smile for the camera, Jeff. Come on. Smile for the camera.
Come on, come towards me.
Come on, roll down the window. Smile for the camera.
Come on, Joe. Joe, pull in.
It ain't my truck.
Okay, I don't care. Just come towards me.
Andy, I think it's time for tires.
Close up on the GMC. Hey, D-Mark.
Yeah, I'm going to. I'm going to.
It ain't my truck.
Joe, you have a car ready?
Jam tough.
Oh, yeah. Both.
Action. What are you, a bunch of fucking girls? Holy shit. You guys just killed a bunch of living animals. Come on, Merry Christmas. What a bunch of pussies. Oh my God, one more time.
Give us a countdown.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.